Welcome to Lennar at Autumnwood, a vibrant community of single-family homes nestled in Sanford, North Carolina, one of the fastest-growing areas due to manufacturing, agricultural, and life science industries. Centrally located between the Research Triangle Park, Greensboro, and Fayetteville, Autumnwood is the perfect location for professional or military personnel. Additionally, with convenient access to major thoroughfares, US 421 and US 1, traveling around the region is effortless. In the heart of North Carolina, Sanford offers big city amenities within a welcoming community. Discover the charm of downtown through local shops and eateries, or travel just a bit down the road to the prestigious Pinehurst Golf Resort for a premier golf experience. Outdoor lovers can explore the stunning hiking trails at Raven Rock State Park or waterfront activities at San Lee Park. For a day of adventure, journey to Jordan Lake, boasting over 1,000 campsites, water activities, and beautiful picnic areas. Experience the perfect blend of convenience and community at Autumnwood, where your dream home awaits. Contact us today to learn more.